first off, I want to thank Eileen Smith for telling me about Screencast-O-Matic, which is now called ScreenPal, which is how I record the video portion of this podcast. Now, for those of you that aren't going to go to YouTube and see the video, here we go. We're going to boost your business and increase your visibility and brand awareness. And here's some tips to do that. You're going to look at the job. First off, is what is online visibility? What are the key factors affecting your online visibility, your website quality, your SEO, your search engine optimization, of course, how people find you? And do you have a social media presence? Is your social media presence on the right branch of the tree called social media? Or should you be off over in this side and you're on this side? Okay? So check into that, do some testing. And improving your online visibility is a part of that. You might want to have to do some keyword research. There's a thing called Google Keyword Planner. And then there's on-page SEO and technical SEO. Knowing the difference between those two, you might want to do some research on that and find out the difference between on-page and technical to get that done right. And then engaging on social media, you want to do consistent posting. Interact with your followers. When they ask a question, give them an answer. Don't leave them hanging. And then utilize some hashtags. You can do some research and find out what hashtag works best for your topic. Maybe your topic is engaging on social media. Well, then what are the hashtags for that? Creating valuable content is a big part of increasing your online visibility and brand awareness. You can do it through blogging, through video content like this is going to be, and through guest posts. You could have someone that you consider to be an influencer. Like I mentioned Eileen Smith a minute ago. Do an interview with them perhaps might be a good episode on building your brand awareness. And under the topic of building brand awareness, defining what that awareness should be, there's going to be some things like influencer marketing, content marketing, and community building. Those are three topics covered in this section of the document. If you go to the practicaldigitalstrategies.podbean.com, you'll get a link there that's got this Google document linked in it. And then measuring the success of your efforts, you're going to, of course, use Google Analytics. That's what everybody does. There's insights available on most all the social media channels that you're going to stream to. And there's SEO tools like SEMrush and Moz. Ahrefs has got a good free tool that I use. And monitor that performance that you have, mentions that you get, etc. And then in conclusion, enhancing your business's online visibility and brand awareness is a journey worth taking. Okay? And the rest of that conclusion, you can go to the Google document and read it yourself. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.